Pressure cooker. The Hawkins CB30 hard anodized pressure cooker is a standout choice for anyone seeking a reliable and efficient cooking appliance. With a capacity of 3 liters and constructed from hard anodized aluminum, this pressure cooker combines durability and excellent heat conduction. The contoured black finish adds a sleek touch to any kitchen while providing a brushed surface that is resistant to scratches. Measuring 7.76 inches in diameter, 13.46 inches in width, and 7.32 inches in height, the Hawkins CB30 is compact enough to fit comfortably in most kitchens, making it an ideal option for small families or individuals. Weighing in at just 4.2 pounds, it is lightweight yet robust, making it easy to handle during cooking and cleaning. This pressure cooker excels in versatility, as it is compatible with both gas and electric stovetops. With a wattage of 1,000 watts, it heats up quickly, allowing for faster cooking times without sacrificing flavor or texture. The manual operation mode gives users complete control over the cooking process, albeit with the understanding that it is not dishwasher safe.